Hello dear viewers, I showing you direct how you add your Amazon associate product link to your blog post. So this is your blog. Here you write here your product name, this is your product, and this is your details. So how you can add, this is another, this is product, and this is that. How you can add this? So just select here, you can select this product, you copy it and go to your associate link and paste it and search here the product name. Though we have not AAWP for the reasons here, Mojino Women's Volleyball 2 Attack T-shirt, Mojino Women's Volleyball T Attack. This is Mojino Women Volleyball T Attack T-shirt. Already I have done this, maybe Mojino Women T Attack Volleyball T-shirt. Oh no! So Mojino Women T Attack Volleyball T-shirt. Here is it, Mojino Women Volleyball 2.0 Attack T-shirt. Here, click here. You must have associate. Here is it. I taken images. Here I can take image. Here large image. I copy that link and go here. I take a column. Here just click. I show you how you can take this. Okay. Here you just delete it. I am deleted. Okay. I want to delete it. I show you how you can take the column. Here just enter and then click plus button and then click classic. Sorry, not classic. You have to we have to take column. Okay. So click plus button. Here column. Here two column. You can take 2, 3 or as like you. So I am taking 2 and click this plus button and then click classic and then click 3 dot button and then click edit HTML and then where is you paste the HTML, that code will be paste here, and then you have to reference where is you can reference that blank and you can write here, these real sponsors no follow, no refer, no winner. Without Amazon will kick you. Okay, so I paste here in the blank side. Okay, and then I lower the image here 350 SI and alter tag. You have to take the alter tag name Mojino Women's Volleyball T-shirt. Okay, I alter tag here. Okay, and then edit visible. Here is it, your product, and then in this column we write the details. I take from here, drag and then cut. Okay, I cut it and then I paste here as like paragraph. So in this bottom I have to button 8 check price on Amazon. I click here, check price and buy. Click here and click 3 dot and copy this block will be copied, and then you have to come here and paste it. Okay, and then you have to, in this button you have to put your affiliate link. Okay, here is the text. I am putting text. Here is it. I copy and then I came here and here is the link. Here is the link. I delete it and the original link I paste here, and this is auto saving. Okay, by that way you can set up your associate Amazon affiliate link in your blog post, and it's professional. By that way you can earn your commissions. So I will show you, here is it, conversions, that total order 2 and 1.46 earning. And if I show you that's my report, earning reports, you will show there is maybe $100 plus earning. So where is it's not coming. I'm showing that's the report. $100 plus I earning already. Okay, so okay, it's uploading. Here is it. You can see $165 I earn. Okay, So by that way you can earn automatically by writing a blog from the Amazon affiliate. To know more about this, you can subscribe my channel and comments me how you can do that, okay, professionally. Thank you very much for watching my videos.